So here we have a DIY anti-drone cannon. Now we have made this from getting a global ordnance can launcher and the cheapo fishing net off of Amazon. So this is our very first run. Let's hope we do not die in the process. Here we go. I would say that was not exactly a success. So now we have made some special modifications. We have taken an aluminum soda can, cut it and made a form of sabot, put it into the rear and removed half of the weights from the net. This should give us less weight and increase pressure and hopefully give us the desired result. Here we go. Not perfect, but we are getting closer. So I believe the issue was that the solder can we used was creating too good of a sabot and held the net together for too far. So what we did is we cut the bottom off to make more of a puck, dropped it down, and let's see if she does it here. I think we are getting close. Not so much. Back to the drawing board. So here we are with the final iteration. We removed some structure from the net, hopefully it will open up. And here we have an AI clanker scum that we will test it on and see if she works, if it cooperates. If this does not work, we will consider the whole thing a fail. This is our last attempt. Yeah, I do not think this design is going to work, and the drone has flown away. Did not cooperate.